Welcome to the best picks. The Best 360 Doorbell Camera is probably one of the most sought-after smart home security devices on the market, offering a panoramic view of your doorstep and advanced features like motion detection, two-way audio, and night vision, ensuring you never miss a visitor or potential threat. This comprehensive review will delve into the key features, performance, and overall value of this innovative security solution, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your home. Number 5. LaView 4MP Bulb Camera. It's more than just a light bulb, it's a powerful security solution for your home. Enjoy crystal clear video day and night, all from a familiar E27 base. Experience incredibly sharp 2560x 1440p resolution. See every detail, clearly, in any light. It captures the entire room, eliminating blind spots. You'll never miss a thing. Advanced starlight technology ensures vibrant full-color video, even in low light. See what's happening, even at night. It detects movement and sends you alerts. Customize the sensitivity to your needs. A loud 110 dB alarm and two-way audio will scare off intruders and let you communicate remotely. Simply screw it into any standard E27 light socket. Connect to your Wi-Fi and start protecting your home. Use the LaView app on your smartphone to view and control it from anywhere. Always stay connected to your home's security. Control it with your voice using Alexa. It's seamless integration for a smarter home. What we like. It boasts a stunning 2K resolution and a 360 degrees panoramic view, ensuring you won't miss a thing. It's also incredibly easy to set up, making it perfect for tech novices. If you're looking for an affordable and user-friendly option with great image quality, this is it. Number 4. Litokam 360 Home Security Camera. It offers a comprehensive view of your home. Enjoy complete coverage with its 360 degrees horizontal and 110 degrees vertical rotation, eliminating blind spots. Experience sharp, smooth video streaming in stunning 2K resolution. See every detail, day or night. It provides clear night vision with built-in IR LEDs, ensuring you can monitor your home even in complete darkness. It intelligently tracks movement and sends alerts to your smartphone. Never miss a thing with its advanced motion detection. It's compatible with Alexa, allowing you to stream live video to your Echo Show. Setup is simple and user-friendly. Share access with family and friends via the app. It supports micro SD card and cloud storage for convenient recording access. Your privacy is protected with encrypted storage. Get fast technical support through the app. What we like. With its 360 degrees rotation and crystal clear 2K Ultra HD resolution, it provides comprehensive coverage. The superior night vision ensures you can monitor your home even in complete darkness. If you need reliable monitoring of your baby or pets at night, this is the one for you. What people say. The manual tracking servo works perfectly. Resolution really does appear to be 2K. It was easy to set up and uses the Smart 321 website like a lot of other Chinese devices. Images are clear and high quality, it's easy to set up and walks you through the connection process. I didn't install the stand, I just set it on a table and plugged it with the included power cable. I ordered a micro SD card and popped it right in, I didn't have an issue with it at all. The cameras did what I needed them for, and I liked the cameras so much that I decided to expand and add outdoor cameras. The app has a feature called Multiview, that will allow you to view 4, 9 or 16 cameras all at once. The tilt pan functions work well and are easy to use and are controlled from the app. The night vision is really good. Number 3. AOSU Wireless Doorbell Camera. See who's at your door with crystal clear video. It's easy to install and use, and there are no monthly fees. It features a 5MP Ultra HD lens for sharp, detailed images, even in low light. Enjoy superior image quality compared to 2K. This doorbell uses advanced sensors to detect motion and intelligently filter out false alerts. It only notifies you of actual people. It offers 60 days of continuous loop recording, stored locally on the home base. Access your recordings anytime, anywhere. With its efficient design, it provides up to 180 days of battery life on a single charge. Enjoy uninterrupted security. Its wide 166 degrees field of view ensures you won't miss a thing. See everything from head to toe, without any blind spots. What we like. This camera offers 5MP Ultra HD video, providing incredibly sharp and detailed images. It also boasts a long battery life and no monthly fees, saving you money in the long run. If you value high-quality video and want to avoid ongoing subscription costs, this is a great choice. What people say. This installed easy, has great response time. Just as good as my Ring video doorbell. And awesome video quality. Connectivity went very smoothly. Video quality is very clear even at night. Setting up the app and doorbell system took only a few minutes and worked on the first attempt. Adding another user to my doorbell also went without a hitch. The 5MP UHD camera provides crystal clear video quality, making it easy to see every detail. The triple motion detection is incredibly accurate, ensuring that I never miss a visitor or any activity around my front door. The installation was straightforward, and the wireless setup means no messy cables. Number 2. ZUMIMALL 2K Security Camera. It offers a 360 degrees view of your surroundings. With 3MP resolution, it captures images 1.5 times sharper than standard 1080p, providing crystal clear detail. This camera is completely wireless and battery-powered for easy installation. Enjoy the freedom of wire-free security, with optional solar power for continuous operation. It provides smart alerts with siren, spotlight, and app notifications. Footage is stored locally on a micro SD card or conveniently in the cloud. Communicate with visitors remotely using two-way audio. Easily share access with family and friends through the app. It's built to withstand any weather, with an IP66 waterproof rating. Place it virtually anywhere, indoors or outdoors, to monitor your property. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for a truly smart home experience. Its sleek design complements any environment. What we like. It features 360 degrees PTZ control, allowing you to remotely adjust the camera's view. It's battery-powered and completely weatherproof, making it ideal for outdoor use. If you need a versatile and durable outdoor camera, this is the perfect option. What people say. The GX2S is affordable, well-built, has great image quality, motion detection with bright lights, night vision, is easy to install, and solar-powered. Their numerous features are excellent, including the video high definition and night vision. Their ability to detect and notify me via my cell phone are spot on. Setting it up was quick and very easy. The solar charging feature is of great advantage, continuous power without the need for batteries. This is pretty convenient. We now have 24/7 monitoring without interruptions. Number 1. eufyCam S334 Cam Kit. Experience superior night vision with its Starlight system. It delivers 4K quality and vibrant colors, even in low light, far surpassing standard cameras. It accurately identifies friends from strangers using Bionic Mind AI. This goes beyond basic motion detection, keeping you safer without extra fees. Your data is secured with military-grade encryption and local storage expandable up to 16 terabytes. Enjoy peace of mind without cloud subscriptions. It's powered by a solar panel, needing only 2 hours of sunlight for continuous operation. That's much longer than most security cameras. It offers voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, and you can customize activity zones. Enjoy a truly smart home experience. What we like. This camera offers superior 4K video quality and advanced face recognition technology. Plus, it's solar-powered, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. If you prioritize cutting-edge technology and eco-friendliness, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Pretty easy to sync camera with base. I do have a mesh setup so Wi-Fi signal isn't a problem, but without it, it would have been a little tricky ESP for outdoor mounting positions on opposite end of house as router. The video and audio quality is excellent, the nighttime mode is brilliant, and the fact that there is no subscription is icing on top. Cameras pull up quickly on the phone app. Motion detection and recording is flawless. The app is excellent and allows you to fully customize when and what gets detected on which cameras, etc. You can also easily filter out areas of the camera field of view to avoid nuisance detection. Excellent implementation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.